Alright, what's up guys? Drew Peacock here, GoPro cam on. I don't have my actual recording camera anymore, so using the GoPro, but we're doing an install. And I mean, by the look of the video, you guys know what I'm going to be installing. I'm going to be installing some new taillights on the Mustang right here. So I got the trunk open. I've actually never taken these off. So this is going to be a little bit of an experience, but I haven't opened the box yet. It literally just came. I was planning on doing it during the day and, you know, getting some daylight, nighttime, you know, not transitions, but test for the lights or whatever, but it didn't come during the day. It's 7 o'clock in California right now, and it barely showed up. So I was like literally the last stop. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do a little fast montage of an unboxing right here just to see, but oh my god, dude, this is okay. There we go. All right, well that took a little bit of struggling. Let's just not talk about it. So the alright, so the taillights are snug as fuck in this box. As you can see, they are black. And I don't even know how I'm gonna get this out. Holy shit, like, you gotta use those hips. Ugh, fuck. Oh my god. Alright, well we got it out. Oh, alright. Yeah, there's not a lot of room in here. I was working on an airsoft gun and I didn't have time to clean up, so alright. Raxium Advanced Lighting Solution. So this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I wish it was, because then I wouldn't have had to pay list price for this, but Raxium, as you guys can see, Gen 5 taillights. Now, I just think the Gen 5 taillights are the best taillights, and if you guys don't know what I'm talking about the Mustang GTs and the V6s from 2013 to 2014. Those are personally my favorite taillights. Now, I was having a big debate because I like my taillights. They have a slight tint on them. You know, I think they look pretty clean. Honestly, I do like them. They are for sale, so if you want them, hit me up on my Instagram. I gotta take a picture so I can post them. Alright, yeah, so mine will be for sale. I don't think I need the scissors anymore. So, like I said, if you want slightly tinted taillights that are clean, I mean, no fucking gouges in them or anything like that, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll probably let them go for really cheap just because, like I said, these are personally my favorite style. I was looking into the new S550 ones. Those looked pretty cool, I thought, too. I just didn't like how they were kind of concave and they kind of sunk in. I didn't think that was kind of cool. I mean, I don't know. It was kind of a weird style, so I went with these, and I don't know if I'm going to regret it or not because they were expensive, but I think personally they're the best looking ones. And damn, yeah, just holding it, I mean, look at that. It looks really clean, right? So, come on. Fucking hell. I don't want to drop it. That's like the last thing I want to do, but they make it really hard to get to it. Wow. Alright. So this is the left one, and that is clean, man. Look at that plastic. Like, I thought it was going to be greasy just from looking at it. Like, it looks greasy, right? But no, it's just smooth. So, yeah, I like it. Alright, let me set this down where it won't break. You know what? I'll do this. Let's be smart about it, Drew. Let's be smart about it. Utilize the box. After all, we are going to have to take them out of the box and take off the other ones. Fuck me. There we go. It's a snug box within a snug box within a snug box. Alright, so we got the second one. I'm not going to take it out all the way just because I don't need to yet. So what I am going to do is find out how to get those off because I don't know how to. And how do I turn on this lamp? I need some more light in here. Alright, so I don't think it's going to be too hard. I mean, it doesn't look like much. I see a bolt here. I see, this is probably the cable. Another bolt, maybe 3, maybe 4 bolts. One thing I can do, if I really wanted to, was reverse engineer it. As in, look at the new one, and I see 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 3 bolts. Like I said, this should not be very hard. I think anyone can probably do this, honestly. It's not that bad. One thing I will say though is I wouldn't recommend tightening them down too much. The last thing you want to do is A, strip it, B, bend it in or fuck it up, and C, you know, I don't know, fuck it up. That's the other option also. So there's 2 C's. I don't feel like pulling out my gun or anything like that, so we'll just use an old classic ratchet right here. Yeah, you don't, don't over tighten them. It's the last thing you want to do. So honestly, one of my biggest concerns was how is it gonna look, being that I don't have a, oh my god, there's like spider webs and shit. Ugh. It's nasty. Being that I don't have a black deck lid or anything like that, I was really curious how it was gonna look. Dude, that's nasty. Alright, let me get the light. Oh, okay. So that's pretty simple. Oh, well, that's how you do it. You just yank it. Alright, well, got one out. If it's literally just one plug, then that'll be super easy. So, whew, look how clean that is, man. Jesus Christ. Alright, I already fucking made it dirty. Alright, see, so more stuff I don't know about. I'm assuming I just stick this on somewhere. Ooh, a new grommet. Look at that. So you don't even have to worry about the old grommet. It's very easy. I'm actually going to clean this up, though, while I'm already back here. Might as well. So I'm going to set my tail light down right there. Throw the cap on the floor. Figure might as well. When's the next time anyone's going to be back here, right? Weight reduction. Get the dirt off. So, make it really nice and clean. Not even going to touch the body with the car. Maybe I'll just do this little... No, look at that. Shouldn't have even done that. Alright, well, looks better than it did before. Again, this is just an old rag, so I don't really care about it. Let's see how this sits now. Like, where does this go? Like, this is what I'm confused about. I don't know about this. Alright, guys, so I got the first one on, and you can just see the difference. I mean, it's night and day. It looks really nice. Okay, now I'm going to see with the lights on. I'm going to turn it on and see how it is. But what I did was there was that little, I have a feeling it's a cooling pack for the LEDs or something like that. Or a little generator. I don't know what it was. Okay, I'm not an electrician. But I just stuck it onto the back of the light where it looked like it would fit. You don't want to stick it onto a higher surface because you don't want it to sit uneven. So I stuck it into a little area, and it's sitting really nice right now. And I got it all tightened down and shit. So I'm going to let's just turn on the lights. Damn. Alright. I mean, look at that. First of all, it's way brighter. Second of all, it just looks way cleaner. Oh, I mean, shit. That's nice. Okay, so I know I made the right decision. You know, when you smile when you install it, I mean, you made the right decision. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that one off, and shit. Alright, it looks really nice. Okay, let me pop it off. I mean, but these are still for sale, so if you want to hit me up, go ahead. I'm excited, man. I mean, it's really just a simple thing where I was just like, you know what? I've been wanting to do this for a cool minute. I'm gonna treat myself, and I did. I mean, I never really thought I'd pay, you know, a few $100 for some taillights. It just didn't seem like something that I would do. I'd much rather just buy performance parts, but I just really wanted them. I mean, it's one thing where I feel like my car was lacking is these taillights. These taillights just don't look as cool as those, and as cool as many other cars. So, and as American Muscle says, they're safer too because they're brighter and they react quicker because they're LEDs instead of the old incandescent bulbs. Get out of there. So I guess they're safer. They feel probably heavier though, so I probably am going slower, which I guess would make it even more safer. So there you go. We got a high performance tail light delete. Like, I wonder if my neighbors ever hear me and they're just like, dude, that kid's fucking crazy. Like, he just says like just nonsense. He just speaks to himself. I wouldn't doubt it, honestly. I don't really talk to my neighbors that much. I'll say hello and shit, but I just wonder. You know, you never really know what's going on in someone else's life. And a dude strapped a camera to his head, and my neighbor just came out, so she probably heard me. Let's slip this tip in really quick. You know, give her a little kiss. And oops. I might have just scratched my car. Motherfucker. Just always gotta be that guy. There we go. Got them all in. Let's get these on. Let's plug this hoe in. Alright guys, well, I finished putting them on, and I just think, I mean, look at that. I mean, it just speaks for itself. It is fucking gorgeous. I love it. I think it looks great. Haven't even turned them on yet, both of them at the same time, so this will be literally the first time. I was waiting for my neighbor to go inside because, you know, don't want to talk in front of other people and seem weird. I think it's gonna look great. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the turnaround. Shebang. Oh my god, man, look at that. Just look at it. It's clean. Okay, that's all I can say. It's clean. I think these are the best aftermarket taillights for the S197, at least of this generation. I think it looks very good. There's a reason why people don't switch away from these and they switch to them. I mean, they put these on the SN95s, the new edges. It just looks great. So I don't want to step on my old taillight because again, I'm gonna sell these for sale. Hit me up. Again, nothing wrong with them or anything like that. Slightly tinted, nothing overkill, but just look at that. So let me turn on the hazards too. I know the hazards are special. I mean, look at that, man. That's great. So I love it. It took a little bit longer than I thought, but it was just because I was getting stuck in some areas. Alright guys, I mean, I had other plans. If it came during the day, I was gonna actually wash my car and maybe throw that in a part 2 of me like buying like cheaper shit and washing my car to see if it works good, you know, budget wash. But I'm in love with these lights. That's all I can say. So if you guys aren't a member yet of the Peacock flock, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. I mean, look at that. Oh my god. So anyway, put a thumbs up if you like this. Again, nothing crazy entertaining or anything like that. Alright guys, see you.